So hello friends, in this video I gonna show you that the performance report of Amazon website. Okay, so how I'm able to do this performance report and how I'm able to create that performance report, everything I gonna show you here. So basically you need that this tool, this is called Jmeter. So here I need to create one you can say performance you can say JMX file. So I'm creating the JMX file here. Now it is started. I'm already started the recording. I need to provide the some name. Okay, so I provide the name like search, and then after that I'm doing that manual work here. So whatever manually step I have done, so every kind of thing that blaze meter have recorded, and this thing will create one that JMX file. Okay, and this JMX file I need to put on that my Jmeter, and what will happen next, Jmeter will study that JMX file and it will mimic that my request, and it will bombard that request to that my Amazon server, and I can able to get the response time and response time graph respect to that my payload. Okay, so these kind of steps I need to do here. So here I'm using each and every steps, what kind of steps I am using, each and everything I am actually recording here. Okay, I'm selecting HP, and then I need to select the display type, every kind of. So this is like that filter I'm applying. So I'm applying filter manually, but that blaze meter have recorded all those steps manually. So I already explained you that how that request and response work respect to API. So that the basic thing like that what Blazemeter actually doing here, Blazemeter actually create one JMX file, and currently it is recording my manual step by the help of API, and then it will generate one JMX file. Okay, so if you don't need to if you don't want to use Blazemeter, so your dev tools also become a very kind of handy tools. Here you can also able to record your steps, and you can also generate that har file, and also here you need some, that Blazemeter or any kind of website to convert that har file to JMX file. Okay, and Jmeter only supports the JMX file. If you don't want to write each and every steps manually, if you want to write each and every steps manually, then it is you don't have any issue. You need to write by your own, and like HTTP and thread, all those APIs, URL, everything you have to write your own. Okay, so that side by side I'm also doing that my work here. I am actually doing that manual work, and each and every steps I'm recording here. Okay, now I should stop here, I guess so. So I press go back. Each and every steps I have recorded by the help of this Blazemeter tool, and I'm selecting card, and I'm selecting delete. So that's the manual operation I have done here. Okay, now this thing I need to do multiple times. I need to do that 100 times, maybe 200 times, or maybe 10 times. The same thing I need to do like multiple times within a 0 or 1 ramp up period. So 1 ramp up period means like what kind of like within a second how many things I need to like send from that my system to that server. So after that I am actually exporting the JMX file. So it's being exporting. Once it is done, I need to just drag and drop my JMX file from Blazemeter to here, my Jmeter. It's being done. Now I need to drag and drop my JMX file from here to here. Now Jmeter will automatically recognize that my JMX file, and it will automatically create that whatever steps I need to do. Okay. Now what thing we need to do here? First we need to go the thread group, because this thing contain all those mine recorded file. Okay. Now each and every steps had their own API structure. All those headers, all those images, every kind of APIs are actually here. Okay. So all those things required for checking the performance report. So I'm trying to generate the performance report by the help of these two tools. Okay. Then I need to add the listener. Why that listener needed? Because without listener I'm not able to view the request and response time. So that's why this listener is needed. Okay. Now in this listener, that this I have this option, that graph. So I'm generating the graph based upon that my request and response with time, respect to time. Okay. And also I need that result tree. So result tree is nothing but here I can able to view see that each and every API is getting passed or not, and what kind of response I am receiving from that Amazon server, each and everything. Now see, once I click on start button, it will shows that all those response data. So what kind of data I'm receiving from that my server to my system or my PC, each and everything. And that this is the graph. So here I can able to view that each and every response respect to time, and what kind what is my performance, everything I can able to view this from view that from here. So what is that average time taking, what is the minimum and maximum time taking, everything I can able to view from by that help of that graph. Okay. So that's the procedure. That's how you can generate that your performance report. Or suppose that your team lead or your like manager told you, hey buddy, can you provide me the performance report or average time report respect to that your that my server response. So you can you can do this by the help of this method, that what I have done here. Okay. And also this thread count, if I increase that thread count, that means my response will increase. Okay. So what happened, like suppose that if I use that thread count as in 100 and ramp up period as in 1, within 1 second 100 number of users are actually try to follow that same steps that I have done in manually. Okay, got to my point, right? So that's how this thing works. So bro, yeah, and brother, if this video is helpful for you, and if you guys, and if you feels like that this video is good, and if you want to learn more respect to that, any kind of, you can say, tools on like that, so please subscribe my channel, help me to grow in that YouTube, and feel free to comment me. If I'll available on the time, I'll definitely provide the reply. Okay. Thank you, and thanks for your valuable time. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you.